My dear students, myself Naresh Kumar Dogra. Today in accountancy for class 11th, under chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting, we will discuss objectives of accounting and functions of accounting. Under the objectives of accounting, the very first objective is to keep systematic record of transactions. The main objective of accounting is to keep complete record of business transactions according to specified rules. Second objective of accounting is to calculate profit or loss. The second main objective of accounting is to ascertain the net profit earned or net loss suffered on account of business transactions during an accounting period. An accounting period consists of a duration of 12 months. Third objective of accounting is to ascertain the financial position of the business. For a businessman, merely ascertaining profit or loss of the business is not sufficient. The businessman must also know the financial health of the business. For this purpose, after preparing the profit and loss account, a statement called balance sheet is prepared, which shows the values of various assets as well as the liabilities of the business enterprise at the end of accounting period. Fourth objective of accounting is assisting the management. This is another objective of the accounting. It assists the management by providing financial information to it. The information helps the management in taking sound and judicious decisions about the business entity. Accounting also communicates accounting information to various users. This is another objective of accounting. It communicates accounting information to various interested parties like owners, investors, creditors, banks, government authorities, etc., who analyze them as per their individual requirements. Now we will discuss various functions of accounting. The very first function of accounting is to maintain systematic accounting records. The primary function of accounting is to maintain systematic records of business transactions, post them into ledger, and to prepare the financial statements of the business enterprise. Second function is compliance legal requirements. Under the provisions of various laws such as Companies Act, Income Tax Act, Goods and Services Tax, popularly known as GST, a business firm has to submit various statements such as annual reports, income tax and GST returns, etc. Thus, it is a function of accounting to comply with various legal and statutory requirements as laid down by the law. Third function of accounting is to communicate the financial data. It is yet another function of accounting to communicate the financial information to internal as well as external users of the business enterprise. Fourth, protecting the assets of the business. Another function of accounting is to maintain proper records of various assets owned by the business, such as cash in hand, bank balance, inventory, debtors, etc. It enables the management to protect them and exercise control. Fixing responsibility is yet another function of accounting. It is to determine the profitability of each department of an enterprise. It facilitates the fixing of responsibility of departmental heads. In the next video, we will discuss advantages, disadvantages, and various users of accounting information and their needs. Till then, thank you.